Thanksgiving is past and it's time to make some leftovers. So I'm making a candied bacon turkey BLT. Enjoy this quick recipe. Alright, so to get this dish started, I'm going to be cooking some bacon in the oven at 425 for about 18 to 20 minutes. And you want to make sure you get some thick cut bacon. Of course, I got to have some tomatoes. I'm going to throw a little avocado on this one. And I'm also going to cut up some fresh iceberg lettuce. If you want to use fib lettuce or you can use romaine, you can do that as well. Next, I'm going to make the candy part of the bacon. So you want some brown sugar, some crushed red pepper flakes, some paprika, little rice vinegar, some Mike's hot honey, and then some soy sauce. And you want to get this all mixed up real quick. Then you're going to throw it in a pot and you want to bring it up to a quick simmer, and it's going to cook up real nicely real quick. Spread that all over the bacon and put it aside. Be ready to go for you. Next, we got to work on the turkey. So we're going to throw that turkey into the pot. I made some turkey stock, so I'm going to use that to bring some moisture back to the turkey. It just helps with the cooking process as well. Then you got to take some of that gravy and throw on top. Right after that, you want to throw on some provolone cheese. You want to go ahead and cover that. That steam will go ahead and melt that cheese. It's going to be on point. Then we got to work on our toast, okay? So I got a little multi-grain toast here, and you just want to get it toasted up real nice on one side. And look at the beautiful color on there. Of course, you got to add some of that cranberry sauce. Check out my cranberry recipe that I made. I'll link that below. And then a little bit of mayonnaise. So if you want to put mayo, you can. Some people might even put some ranch as a different option. Then you want to come in with that delicious turkey and the cheese, the candied bacon. Add your lettuce on the other piece of bread, your tomatoes. Make sure you put some salt and pepper on your tomatoes. Don't forget your avocados after you put that salt and pepper there. And this sandwich is done. Flip it over, and you want to go ahead and cut it right down the middle to present this beautiful sandwich. Man, look at that.
You gotta make this sandwich. Okay, you get turkey, you get cranberry. I might have something on my face, I don't even care. The avocado, the candied bacon, everything just works. Absolutely delicious. Day after Thanksgiving, Saturday, Sunday, make this dish. So on point, it's a great sandwich. Have a great day, and on to the next one.